Top 5 most recalled issues that could put you at risk on the road. The last one is more important than you think. At number 5 is the fuel pump malfunction. This issue can cause your engine to shut off while driving. You'll notice symptoms like weak acceleration, random jerks, and delayed throttle response. It's one of the most common recall reasons. Number 4 is a faulty airbag sensor. This can fail in 2 dangerous ways. Either the airbag doesn't deploy during a crash, or it deploys suddenly without impact. Both situations are extremely unsafe and require immediate attention. At number 3 is the engine stall risk. This often happens due to electrical failures or fuel delivery issues. The car suddenly loses power while driving, putting you and others on the road in danger. Number 2 is electrical short circuit problems. Faulty wiring can shut down your dashboard, lights, indicators, and even the AC or infotainment system. In severe cases, it can lead to a complete system blackout. And the number 1 most dangerous recall is fire hazard. This is usually caused by wiring faults, fuel leaks, or overheating batteries. If you ever notice smoke, burning smell, or unusual heat, stop the car immediately and step away. To check if your car is affected, simply enter your VIN number on the official NHTSA website. It's free and takes less than 10 seconds. Stay safe and share this video. It could literally save someone's life.